today's video, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Chevy Nova, a car that has quickly made waves for its incredible blend of power, style, and subtlety. Whether you're an enthusiast or a casual observer, this car has caught everyone's attention for being an excellent sleeper. So, let's break it all down and see what makes this 2025 Nova one of the most talked about vehicles this year. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you'll notice is its restrained design. At first glance, the Nova doesn't scream performance, which is what makes it such a great sleeper. Chevy's design team has crafted a clean, minimalist look that gives the car a refined yet unassuming profile. The body lines are smooth, with a modern twist on classic Nova cues. You'll find sleek headlights, an aggressive front grille, and a more sculpted hood that hints at something beneath. The rear is equally understated, with subtle diffuser elements and a dual exhaust setup that doesn't attract too much attention but promises an exciting driving experience. The car sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, but you can upgrade to larger 20-inch wheels if you want a bit more presence on the road. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Nova follows the same philosophy of simplicity with a touch of sophistication. You're immediately greeted by a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials throughout. The dashboard is minimalist, with a large digital touchscreen display at the center. The infotainment system runs on Chevy's latest software, offering seamless software integration, navigation, and voice controls. The seats are upholstered in a combination of leather and premium fabric, ensuring comfort on long drives while still keeping things sporty. The rear seats are surprisingly spacious for a car of this size, making the Nova a practical choice for families or those who want more than just a fun weekend driver. There's ample cargo space as well, with the rear seats folding down to expand the trunk area, making it surprisingly versatile for daily use. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where the 2025 Nova really sets itself apart from your average sedan. The Nova comes with multiple engine options, but the standout is the 3.6-liter turbocharged VSI-X engine that powers the performance variant. It churns out a whopping 400 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque, which is more than enough to deliver thrilling acceleration and impressive top-end speed. The car is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and quick responses. There's also an all-wheel drive system available, which improves handling and gives you confidence on various road conditions. The ride quality is firm but not harsh, striking a perfect balance between comfort and performance. And when you push the car hard, you'll appreciate the well-tuned suspension that keeps the car stable and composed in corners. In terms of performance, the 2025 Nova really impresses. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds, which is incredibly quick for a car that doesn't look like it's packing that much power. On the road, it feels nimble, with sharp steering and a level of handling that rivals sports cars twice its price. The braking performance is equally impressive, thanks to the large disc brakes that give the Nova the ability to stop on a dime, even at high speeds. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Chevy Nova is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard features include lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, all of which make driving this car both enjoyable and secure. These features work seamlessly together, giving you peace of mind whether you're driving on the highway or in the city. Now, let's discuss pricing. The base model of the 2025 Chevy Nova starts at around $30,000, which makes it an excellent value considering the level of performance and luxury it offers. The performance variant with the turbocharged V6 engine will set you back closer to $40,000, but for that price, you're getting a car that competes with much more expensive sports sedans in terms of both power and handling. The fully loaded Nova with all the bells and whistles can reach around $45,000, but again, considering the performance, features, and the fact that it can easily pass as a family sedan, it's an impressive price point. So, is the 2025 Chevy Nova the sleeper hit of the year? Absolutely. It may look understated, but under the hood it packs a punch. The combination of everyday usability, performance, and subtle design makes this car a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a vehicle that does it all. Whether you're cruising around town, taking it to the track, or just looking for something that's both practical and fun to drive, the Chevy Nova hits the mark. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Chevy Nova. What do you think? Is this the sleeper you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.